Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons into your Shopify store. This video is specific for Ride theme. If you have any other theme, then you should explore shopwebsitecodes.com, and there I have already published different codes with different themes. The first step is like you should download the code. I have already added the link below in the description. You just need to click and download the zip file. Once you are extracting that zip file, you will be getting these 4 files. Just open documentation.txt. Inside of it, I have already mentioned all the steps which we are going to follow along with this video. So the first step is like go to Shopify dashboard. So here we have the Shopify dashboard. Here you can see that I have installed Ride theme. You need to click on these 3 dots. Click on duplicate. So in that way, if you have any problem on the way, so you can actually restore with its original version. Once you are done duplicating it, then you should click on edit code. So here we'll be having some folders and files. We need to click on snippets, and here in the first step we already have this instruction like go to Shopify dashboard, click on themes, click on edit code, click on snippets. Now the second step is like create new snippet, PayPal-smart-buttons. Just copy this exact name and click on add a new snippet and write here the exact name. Click on done and it will be creating a new empty file. Inside of it we have to paste the attached code. So which one is this attached code actually? PayPal with credit card. So just copy this complete code and paste it inside of it. Once you are pasting that code, click on save the changes and then move ahead with the next step, which is open sections and open main-cart-footer.liquid. So here we have sections folder, scroll it down and we have main-cart-footer.liquid, and inside of it we have to find this div element, because we are going to paste a new line of code just below this div. So how we will be finding it? Just scroll it down and here we will be having this div element, which is this one. Just above it we are going to paste this new line of code. So just copy this and paste it right here, and once you are hovering over it, it will be showing an arrow that is just giving us the confirmation that the snippet name is correct and this is actually the valid snippet. Now you should click on save the changes and then move ahead with the next step, which is like fifth step, add your live client ID of PayPal in line number 8. So we have PayPal smart buttons in line number 8. I have already added a test client ID from the sandbox account of the PayPal. So you should actually watch the video. I have added the link below in the description. So that is a 1-minute video. You should watch that how you can find live PayPal client ID, and then you need to copy and paste it right here. So make sure that this client ID should be enclosed inside of these 2 double quotes. All right, and then paste the client ID which you will be copying from your PayPal account. So that must be the live client ID. Now the next thing is like if you have different currency. Right now I have added USD. So if you have any other currency, you should write here Euro. So you will be writing EUR. If you have any other currency, you can actually write it here. So then after we have the next step, which is go to themes, customize, settings, cart, and you should change the type of that cart's type to pop-up notification or maybe page. So how we will be getting? So let's go to the dashboard of the store again, and you need to click on this customize button, and here we have the settings. Scroll it down, we have cart, scroll it down and we have drop down. So make sure to select page or maybe page pop-up notification. So I am selecting page. Click on save. Now the next step is go to assets, open cart.js and find below line of code. So this line of code we are interested to find inside of cart.js. So that cart.js will be inside of this assets folder. Here you can see that cart.js. Using Control F or maybe Command F, you will be finding this line of code, and this is automatically highlighted. Just below it we are going to paste a new line of code, which is this one. So here we are going to paste it, and now this is actually the function call. So you should save the changes, and that's it. So all the steps we have followed. Now we are interested to see the changes on our store. Click on preview store, and here we have the home page of our store, and now you can see that we have this, for example, product. I'm going to add to cart, and here we have all the products on the cart page. And one best thing is like the PayPal buttons are also appearing here. This is yellow button, and below it we have debit or credit card button. So let's make sure that the prices are correct or not. If we are clicking on PayPal, I have already logged in with my Sandbox account, and here it will be showing me some details. So if you are selecting this price, you can see that one winter sweater, one woman undershirt, and one new t-shirt, all its quantities are one, and the price is $95. So that means the price is correct. All right, so for example, I am deleting this product and maybe I'm going to increase this quantity. So let's see the prices are going correct or not. Let's click on PayPal button again, and here you will be seeing like we have $85. One is one quantity of woman undershirt with rose color variant, and two new t-shirts with red, and total price is $85. So here you can see that we have $85. Now if your customer don't have any PayPal account, so they can click on debit or credit card, and below it will be appearing here card number and billing address, and then we have the shipping address, pay now button. So if they have to pay using debit or credit card because they don't have PayPal account, so they can use this form to do it. Sometimes people are interested to hide this checkout button. So how they can do it? You should again go to the dashboard, customize section, and here you can see that we have this drop down. We need to select cart, and inside of this cart page in the left side you will be seeing the checkout button. You should click on this I button and then click on save. And once you are refreshing this page again, and here you will see like the checkout button has been hidden. If you are seeing its mobile view, so this is looking more beautiful, like PayPal button and debit and credit card button. So one more thing is like sometimes people are also asking me like they don't want this yellow button, so how they can hide this. So again, I have attached one more code, which is this one. Open it up and copy this complete code and replace it with this one. So this is the code which I have already added. Save the changes, and then let me refresh again. Now you can see that yellow button has been disappeared from here. So only debit or credit card button is available. So if you wanted to do to undo the changes, I have undone the changes. Then click on save and refresh it again, and now you will see like PayPal yellow button is also appearing along with the debit and credit card button. So this is how you can implement PayPal smart buttons into your Shopify store. So if you have any problem, you can ask me questions in the comment section. I will definitely help you out in that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.